Okay, everybody, I just want to make a quick video here. I got some new LED headlights for the Goon, the Volkswagen, because I'll tell you, for the past 13 years, I've been waiting for these headlights to blow out so I could put a set of LEDs, and they never have. So I'm going to take out a set of perfectly good bulbs and put in a new set. So I'm probably going to just put these to the side in case the new ones will only last for like a week. Then I'll put the old ones back in. So just showing you real quick what the old bulbs look like. And at night, the older I'm getting, the harder it is to see. So we'll see if these new Termitor bulbs work better. And since I'm no mechanic here, I'll show you right in there. You'll see there's like a where is it? Right in there. Somewhere over there. If you stick your hand in, there's like a little twisty little a little twisty, like a little Komazigama thing, you know, whatever you call it. But you get it, and you twist it, and there it is. There's the little twisty Komazigama. I had to put my phone down because you had to do it with two hands. Now, when you take it out, you simply just pull it. And there it is. And, you know, I got nothing here. I'm just holding my phone. Now, this is actually kind of funny because I ordered these thinking they said Terminator. And I thought that was pretty cool. I think, oh, Terminator, like, that's a pretty cool name. Those are the ones I want to get. And then I saw it said Termitor. Just not as cool. Now, look, they give these things here. Look at these fancy little things. I don't know, maybe my kid's gonna wear them. I ain't definitely fit in my hand. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these things. But I'm gonna put the new bulb in and show you what it looks like. Now it's all set up, and you can put it right back in the little twisty Komazigama in there. You know, after putting that light bulb back in, and I got it, that's fine, it's in there good. I noticed, what the fuck is this? I have no fucking idea. How long's it even been here for? Huh. Alright, the moment of truth. Is the old one. There's the new one. Look at that. It looks a little stupid with that little marker light underneath there. It looks like we're gonna have to change a couple of them out. But yeah. I guess I'll wait till nighttime and see how much better I can see with these old eyes. Now, I put a link in the description for this Termitor H7 for anybody who wants to buy it. All right, thank you. See you later.